We want to be flexible, to be in a fast setup, and that's the reason why we bought the Labelmaster, because the flexibility in our business is very, very important. For me, the advantages of the Labelmaster are first speed. It goes much faster than the other machines. Setup time is less setup time than other machines, and the setup waste material is less than on the other machines also. That it gives us advantages in three different ways. Reynders is a very big group. We have different factories in Belgium, Poland, Spain, France and India. So we have some specializations in the different plants, and our plant is specialized in the shrink sleeves. We are mainly in the shrink sleeve market.
For more than 25 years, Reynders and Gallus are working together. For sure, you need the trust to cooperate successfully for such a long time. But the real reason for the long-standing partnership and very effective cooperation is the ongoing challenge. As the label industry is changing, the requirements are changing too. For this reason, Reynders is demanding always a new and a different way of thinking.
Our both companies, Reynders and Gallus, have a big history together, and I think Mark always looks at quality. And that's for us, it's very important. The Labelmaster, we bought it because we wanted to have a production machine at a higher speed with less setup time. And that's why we bought the first Labelmaster. He was installed in May 2018. And after, as I told you, after 2 months, Mark was here to see the machine. And he was so convinced that he already said, I want to buy a second one. As we are very pleased with the first one, we decided to go in the same way and order another Labelmaster with some supplementary features. Features like screen printing, like cold foil, turning bar and the hot air group. We are looking for the added value that the marketeers want to give to the products. So we can do for the pharmaceutical industry, we can print some shrink sleeve because of the bright we can put on it with the screen. We can have some matte varnish on the outside because of the turning bar. We can add some cold foil that gives an added value. So there are different possibilities that I think our customers will like to see.